Welcome to Dr. Coffee. This video I would instruct you upgrade the model F11 HMI board by the USB cable. This is the USB cable. Now the first step, we should turn off the machine. Okay, the next step, we should insert the cable. This end we would insert on the computer. This end we would insert on the machines. The connection is under the touch screen. Here have two connections. One is for U-disc, another is for USB cable. The next step, we should let us check the computer. You can see there, turn on the two files on the computer. These are the program of our coffee machine. We need to delete all the documents in these two files. Click the mount, then format. Okay. Okay, format the another files. Now we delete all the documents in these two files, NND1 and NND2. Now we open the new files I sent to you. F11, you can see. Here have two files, NAND1 and NND2. Now we open the files, copy all the documents in the same name of the file, paste it. Okay. Now we open the file NAND2, copy all the documents. Paste in this file. Okay, paste here. Now we need to wait. Okay, when we pasted all the documents from the new program I sent to you, now we need to turn off the machine. Restart the machine. Push the button.